The Auto Car Review channel is back again to bring you another exciting deep dive into one of the most advanced and talked about fighter jets in the world, the 2026 F-35 USA fighter jet. This video is dedicated to all aviation fans, defense enthusiasts, and anyone who loves learning about groundbreaking technology that reshapes modern air combat. The F-35 is more than just a fighter. Jet is a symbol of the future of aerial warfare and an example of how the USA continues to lead with innovation, engineering excellence, and sheer power. From the moment you see the F-35 on the tarmac, its design instantly commands attention with its sleek, angular frame that merges stealth with aerodynamics. The 2026 version brings even more refinement to its structure with lightweight composite materials and enhanced radar absorbing coatings that make the jet nearly invisible to enemy detection systems. The single-engine design might look simple compared to older twin-engine fighters, but it is a masterpiece of efficiency and raw thrust, offering unmatched performance in both speed and maneuverability. The jet glides with a certain confidence that comes from years of research and development, and it sets the standard for next-generation air dominance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 F-35 pushes boundaries in every way. Its Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine is a powerhouse, capable of producing around 43,000 pounds of thrust, allowing the jet to reach speeds over Mach 1.6. This means it can go supersonic without needing afterburners, a feature called Super Cruise that saves fuel and keeps the jet stealthy while cruising at high speeds. The agility of this fighter jet is just as impressive thanks to advanced flight control systems and thrust vectoring capabilities that allow it to perform tight turns, rolls, and maneuvers that few aircraft in the world can match. But speed and agility are just part of the story. The F-35 is built to be a multi-role platform capable of carrying out a variety of missions with precision, whether it is air-to-air, combat, ground attack, or intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The F-35 can adapt instantly the internal weapons bays keep missiles and bombs hidden from radar, further boosting stealth while also allowing the aircraft to carry a significant payload. The 2026 model supports advanced weaponry, including AIM-120 AMRAAMs, AIM-9X, sidewinders, and precision-guided bombs like the JDAM, all integrated with cutting-edge targeting systems for pinpoint accuracy. Technology is where the F-35 truly separates itself from older fighters. Step inside the cockpit, and you will see a futuristic workspace designed for total situational awareness. The traditional clutter of dials and gauges has been replaced by a massive panoramic touchscreen display that merges flight data, targeting information, and mission systems into one intuitive interface. The pilot also wears the groundbreaking Gen 3 helmet-mounted display, which doesn't just show data, it literally lets the pilot see through the aircraft using the distributed aperture system cameras placed all around the jet. Feed real-time imagery directly into the helmet visor, giving the pilot a 360-degree view. Even through the floor of the plane, it feels like science fiction, but it is real, and it transforms how missions are executed. The F-35 also brings unmatched connectivity to the battlefield, acting like a flying command center. It can link with other aircraft, drones, ground forces, and naval units, sharing data instantly to create a complete picture of the combat environment. This networked warfare approach means the F-35 is not just fighting alone, it is making every unit around it smarter and more effective. The 2026 version features upgraded software and processing power that allows faster decision-making and integration of even more advanced systems. Stealth remains one of the jet's most defining features, and the 2026 improvements push it further. The aircraft's shape, materials, and coatings are all engineered to deflect radar and infrared detection, making it extremely difficult for enemies to see or track it. This low observability, combined with high speed and advanced sensors, gives the F-35 the ability to strike before an enemy even knows it's there. That kind of first look, first shot, first kill capability is what makes the F-35 so feared in modern military strategy. Not forget about endurance and versatility. The 2026 model has extended range with larger internal fuel capacity, meaning it can fly longer missions without refueling, and when it does, need extra range. It is fully compatible with aerial refueling systems. It can operate from conventional runways, short takeoff and landing zones, and even aircraft carriers depending on the variant, making it adaptable to almost any mission requirement. This flexibility ensures that the F-35 will remain the backbone of U.S. air power for years to come. For all its complexity, the F-35 has been designed with maintainability in mind. Advanced diagnostic systems are built into the jet, allowing ground crews to quickly identify issues and keep the fighter mission ready with less downtime. This not only saves costs, but also keeps fleets in the air where they belong. 2026 updates to the F-35 also include improvements to electronic warfare capabilities, giving it the ability to jam enemy radars, disrupt communications, and neutralize threats before they even become a danger. Its sensors can detect incoming missiles or aircraft from long distances, and its onboard systems can either evade or counter them, keeping the pilots safe in the most hostile environments. It is no surprise that the F-35 program has been adopted by allies around the world, with nations in Europe, Asia, and beyond investing in the jet to modernize their own air forces. The global footprint of the F-35 means interoperability is seamless when the USA operates alongside allied nations, making combined missions smoother and more effective. Of these features come together to make the 2026 F-35 not just a fighter jet, but a complete system of systems, a perfect blend of speed, stealth technology, and adaptability. It represents the future of air combat and shows just how far aviation has come from the days of basic dogfights to a world where information and connectivity are just as important as raw firepower. This has been another in-depth review from Auto Car Review, where we explore the most advanced machines on land, sea, and air. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible 2026 F-35 USA fighter jet and want more reviews on powerful aircraft, unique vehicles, and cutting-edge technology, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you even more exciting content every week.